Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iqbal Izzul khaibar, and here in this video we will discuss about a journal of English, computer science and information technology. The title is the verification and validation of multi-agent meeting scheduling simulation model. Okay, and this abstraction, the advancement in the information and the communication (ICT) technology have resulted in the improvement of number of time-consuming tasks and activities. These tasks have been automated with the help of advanced information and communication technologies. The artificial intelligence and multi-agent system have made it possible to automate number of tasks which require human decision and complex calculation. These papers present a system design approach from the development of multi-agent meeting scheduling simulation model. The famous frameworks have been installed for the verification and validation of the simulation. The scheduling meeting with different or several groups of people is a time-consuming and artificial task. In the past, different tools, techniques, and technologies have been developed for this auto simulation of the meeting schedule system. The growth in the multi-agent has helped the scientists of researchers to solve the real-time critical problems. The multi-agent system has been utilized in a number of approaches and systems to solve real-time and critical problems. This real-time problem includes online trading, disaster response, and modeling social structure, complex adaptive enforcement, and many others. The automatic learning system and multi-agent application are always considered as a central place of attention of this application have been automation of the environment and simulation of the record tasks without the interaction of the human decision. Then we go to the system architecture. The system architecture is presented in a section. The multi-agent meeting schedules system architecture have been designed and developed using the layer architecture. The layer of formats have been added from the verification of validation of the proposed multi-agent meeting schedule simulation model. The system architectures and the work of the main components of the meeting schedule agents are presented. These are main components of the software agent are calendar, schedules, and communications. This one is system architecture of multi-agent schedule. For examples, this is user, software, calendar, schedule, and communication, and the other agent software. So the calendar is used to store the calendar is used to store all the available free time slot of the user when the user wants to see a meeting to tell the software agents with the help of scheduler. The software agent selects some possible time after scheduling the possible time. If message for the entire attendant are received and the proposed time is accepted, it sends the confirmation message to the entire attendant and then goes to the end state. If the proposal is rejected, then they will go to search a new proposal system to attend and then receive message for the agent like this. This is examples for internal architecture of scheduler agent, other meeting agent, navigation, negotiation module, negotiation database, preference module, calendar database, preference database. The simulation of multi-agent meeting sending a scheduling system contains new agents of the FOMAS approach which have been added for the verification and validation of simulation. So each agent in the simulation have performed different tasks and activities. There are 5 main agents which have been implemented on the multi-agent meeting scheduling for the verification and validation. Purpose does agent scheduling or VO manager and variant, logger, watch, log entry. These agents have been developed on the research conducted by virtual overlay multi-agent system like this FOMAS layer. There is agents like a VO manager, invariant, logger, watch, log entry, then user, how make the calendar, schedule, software agent communication and go to the other software agent. So from the other software is doing a multi-agent system. The meeting agent schedule, the meeting and the FOMAS agents are used for the verification of validation of the multi-agent meeting scheduling simulation model. The negotiation protocol is implemented in the meeting scheduling simulators. In the multi-agent meeting scheduling system, different meeting scheduling agents are located in a different network peer. The software agent communicators with each other over the network in the schedule meeting in the distribution environment. The verification and the validation of proper simulation have been based on a number of experiments. Different parameters have been analyzed for the verification and validation for simulators. Alright, this is explanation from the verification and validation of multi-agent meeting scheduling simulator for model. So I think that's enough. Maybe if there is so many mistakes, you can forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.